Get ready, drone fans. Online rumors are going crazy about the DJI Avata 360, and it sounds like a game changer. Despite its flagship configuration, sources suggest an entry-level price of just $489 for the unit, with bundles starting around $680. The big news from Chinese social media is the image quality. It reportedly features dual 1-inch sensors capable of 8K 60 FPS panoramic video. To keep your long-range flight smooth, it's said to be equipped with the flagship O4 Plus transmission system. Safety seems top-tier too. Reports point to omnidirectional obstacle sensing and integrated propeller guards, making it super friendly for beginners. You'll likely have two ways to fly: a standard remote or the intuitive motion controller. Best of all, a rumored dual lens mode lets you switch between immersive 360-degree shots and classic cinematic views. It's shaping up to be the ultimate creative tool.